Okay, so this is the information management portal, and right on the right side, I can see my notifications and I can see the ones that are from me, the ones from my team, and also from the dispatch team as well. So I can easily operate from here. I also have access to the dashboard, so I can check how many incoming different types of documents are coming in for each teams or each departments, processes also. I can check records straight away here, the last entrance of records information, and some other charts to give you some idea or dashboard feel and look as well. So there's a lot of different information right here. By going in, for example, why do I need to do? Of course, I can go through and look at, income records, search by the documents that I have, either if I'm using a classification or an index term, or just, going throughout my whole database, searching of dynamic fields or any particular favorites that I might have. But the pending task will give me access to my direct to do. So either I need to sign a document or I need to check where it's for information that has reached the team and it needs some treatment. I can also see all the forwardings that happened. I can check all the processes that I have on the organization as well. See all the outgoings for dispatch, all the archive of documentation or deleted documentation as well, and also be able to extract some statistical information about how many forwards and how many documents I have, how many folders or combination of information that I have sorted on the system. So let's quickly go in here and check. So as you can see, my team has 112 documents to forward for approval. Some are expiring with a deadline. I have 8 that I need to work on. So let's just jump into those 8. So this is a unified visualization of the documents, and I can easily download the document here. In this case, there's no attachments, but I could download here the document. I can also see in which step of the workflow that document is. Right here, I have basic search fields that give you, for example, the ones that I need to have action, which are these 3, or the ones that I need for information, which I'm just consulting on this particular process, which is in this case is a software license. So I can see all of them. And let's go into for action, for example. So I just can click here to see, okay, for this project in particular, what are the details of that document in particular, what information, which process this belong to, if there's an index classification of the document as well, if there has been forwarding. So it has been forwarding from this person from BG to FA, and then from FA to BG as well. So it gives that notion, and can be forwarding by a particular workflow, where the physical archive of that document is, if there was any meeting where it was discussed, and just a general observation field about that document in particular. And here I can just go in and say, okay, which action do I need to do? Is it at the end of the workflow? Is it not at the end of the workflow? Do I have to do any task afterward, or it's going to be ending or closing that particular workflow? And here I can check, what are the steps of this particular workflow. This one is very straightforward. But then in some cases, they're not as straightforward as we're seeing. So, there might be some approvals in the processes as well. So this is a very quick overview about what can you do in this information management portal. If you want to have more information, just check the website or get back to us. Thank you.